Hey everyone, welcome back! In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to hide a product on Shopify without deleting it. This is useful if you want to temporarily remove an item from your store while keeping it in your admin for later. First, log into your Shopify account from the main website. Once you're in your admin dashboard, look at the left-hand side and click on Products. This will open a list of all the products in your store. Next, find the product you want to hide and click on its name to open the Details page. Scroll down until you see the Publishing section. Click the three dots next to it and select Manage Sales Channels. A small window will appear showing all the places where your product is currently published. To hide it, simply uncheck the box next to Online Store or any other channel where you don't want it to appear, such as Facebook or Google. When you're done, click Done. Then click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. Once saved, the product will no longer be visible on your storefront, but it will still remain in your admin area so you can edit or republish it whenever you need to. If you want to hide multiple products, just repeat the same process for each one, and that's it. You've successfully hidden a product from your Shopify store without deleting it. When you're ready to make it visible again, just go back to Manage Sales Channels, check Online Store, and save your changes. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, be sure to check out the other Shopify tutorials for more quick and simple store management tips.